it's Kenzie Lou and the family too. I have a big family, but for now, Kinley is joining me. She is my little sister, so let's do this video. So we are reviewing the Little Life Pets Tweet Talking Bird. It includes one bird and one instruction booklet. It's from Moose Toys. And they also make Shopkins and many more toys.
I love Shopkins!
Look at how many Shopkins there are. It says, the more you pet, the more I sing. I record your voice and say it back. So this one, I got the Jungle Jessie, and it says the new exotic songbirds, the tweet talking birds. And it's for ages 5 and up, and it requires 2 AAA batteries.
And they go on their butts.
It says they say 30 bird calls, and it says the most splendid bird you've ever heard. The exotic flock of brilliant birds sounds as dazzling as they look. Let them brighten up your day as they tweet, sing, and repeat everything. So you can collect them all. Right here, all 8 of them you can collect. 2 have cages, but we didn't get cage ones. But anyways, let's take a closer look at these little songbirds. So we already opened them because they were hard to open, but we got them out now. So yeah, here's a look at Jungle Jessie. She is a girl, and she has crazy hair. That's what I like about her, is that she has crazy pink and purple hair. She also has a little beak that is really cute, and then her eyes sparkle. And she has these 2 on each side of her neck, pink cheetah print spots. And then on her pink wings, there are cheetah print also. And it's a very, very, very pretty purple. And then pink feet. Let's take a look at Snowbell.
I forgot her name, Snowbell. She has beautiful white fur, and she has a cute little purple beak. She has beautiful wings, and I love the pattern on her little wings because it's like pretty, and it has like a little cute thingy, whatever it's called.
Fade to it and silver sparkles.
Yeah, silver sparkles. And here it goes, Becky.
So,
and when you rub them, they like talk, but and they sometimes they talk, but can't really make them talk right now.
So you need 2 AAA batteries, and you put them in right there. Where do they go?
In their butts.
And once you put them in, you flip the switch and then pet them. And they talk. And the cool thing about these little guys is that their beak moves when you pet them.
And they talk. How do you turn them on? I can't know how to turn them on. I love Shopkins. It just says Shopkins.
And so the other cool thing about them
Is you talk to them.
is how they sing, and also if you hold down this button and say something, and then when you're done talking and let it go, it repeats what you said. So Nin, try it out. She can't whistle somehow. Let me try. YouTube rocks! Yay! Yay!
My wings are stunning.
So the whole thing about this little repeat button, you gotta be careful. And so you have to talk into this like black hole on the bird. You have to hold it down and not get too close, and then just act normal and say whatever you want to say while
Just
you're
act
holding down the
normal.
button. And not too close to the bird or you'll mess it up. So let's try. So here's a black hole and I'm going to hold down the repeat button. YouTube rocks. And then you let it go when you're done talking and then it repeats it. But don't get too close to it. Okay, so we've been waiting for this and it's time to smash these Shopkins with our birds.
Boom, 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 boom.
And they're all back.
What about the name?
Yeah. Yeah. Wait a second. Wait. Jungle Jessie.
What did you
She laid an egg. Wait.
What did you thinking? What the heck? Oh yeah, I was pressing the button.
Well, she laid an egg, but that's okay. Because we got these birds now. And so we're going to say bye with them. Bye!
Did you just eat bird poop? Again.
Okay.
All right, try that part again.
Did you just eat bird poop?
Well, I never really thought of that way.
Did you?
Yeah.
Tell me why.
Okay. Well.
Bye. Just eat bird poop.
We're still rolling.
Get out.
Seriously, come on. Okay, bye!
Bye.
Whoa! Whoa!
Like, comment, and subscribe, or I'll poop on your head.